Are you feeling tight these days? Or maybe you're trying to save up your money, but at the same time, you still want to eat meals that are delicious? Well, that won't be a problem. Eating on a budget does not mean you cannot eat tasty food. All we need is a little improvisation and creative culinary chops. Welcome to Foodie Legends, your go to source for the best foods to eat around the world and its history. Today, we are going to dive into some three tasty and budget friendly dishes that you can try in your home. Whenever we think of Italian dishes, we immediately assume it to be complex and quite pricey. However, that is not the case. A lot of Italian dishes are easy to make, affordable, and most important of all, delicious. Spaghetti aglio e olio, literally translated as spaghetti with garlic and oil, is a traditional pasta dish from the city of Naples in Italy. Aglio e olio is very popular because it is not only simple to make, but it only uses a handful of ingredients from your pantry. Trust us when we say that you only need a handful of ingredients to make this delicious pasta dish. You'll see why. And to prepare a plateful of aglio e olio, you'll need 1/2 pound dry spaghetti, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 head garlic, 1/2 lemon, 1/2 cup of flat parsley, salt and pepper for seasoning. First, boil water in a large pot, salting it heavily to impart some flavor to the pasta and to prevent it from sticking. Cook the pasta until slightly underdone, while at the same time you are preparing the rest of the cooking procedure. Slice your garlic cloves thinly and set it aside. In a pan, heat your olive oil in medium heat, where you will saute your garlic. Stir the sliced garlic until it softens and turns golden on the edges. Then you can add the red pepper flakes and turn the heat down to medium low. Add the drained pasta to the pan and stir it with the sauteed garlic and pepper flakes. Add 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta water together with the pasta to give it some sauce. Squeeze the lemon juice over the top, followed by chopped parsley. Continue cooking it for 1 to 3 minutes until the pasta absorbs some of the liquid. Season it with salt and pepper, and it's ready for serving. Speaking of pasta water, it is quite a hassle to drain your pasta, risking to spill it over the kitchen sink. Bialetti's aluminum pasta pot has a strainer lid that makes the job easy for you. It has a twist and lock lid so the pasta won't fall off the pot, and its oval shape means your spaghetti won't tear apart. Also, you can reserve some of the pasta water if you want to. Do you have some leftover rotisserie chicken in your fridge? If that's the case, this recipe is the right one for you. Chinese chicken salad is a result of the culinary fusion between the East and the West, rising first in California and eventually spreading to the rest of the United States. Chinese chicken salad is a delicious way of utilizing ingredients that one might find individually boring or already exhausted their potential. If you can't find some of the ingredients in your fridge, you can buy most of it at the closest grocery store, or you can improvise. But basically, Chinese chicken salad is composed of the following ingredients: 2 cups rotisserie chicken, shredded, 1 head iceberg lettuce, shredded, 1 head romaine lettuce, shredded, 1 rounded cup of red cabbage, julienned, 1 cup carrots, julienned, 1 green onion, sliced thinly, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, 1/4 cup of chow mein noodles, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cilantro, roughly chopped. For the dressing, 1 garlic clove, pressed, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar.
Want to cook?
You can make your vinaigrette by mixing the crushed garlic, soy sauce, grated ginger, sesame oil, and the rice wine vinegar in a bowl. Whisk it thoroughly until it emulsifies. Put it in a small jar, bottle, or carafe and set it aside. In a bowl, put your shredded chicken, drizzling half of the salad dressing on the top. Mix the ingredients with your tongs, letting the sauce be absorbed by the chicken. Then add the rest of the vegetables, green onion, and chopped cilantro, and thoroughly mix it with the chicken. Transfer your salad into a more presentable bowl, topping it with your sliced almonds and chow mein noodles if you want to. Serve the vinaigrette beside the serving bowl. And that's your delicious Chinese chicken salad.
Perfect.
Now, if you want to try your salad to work, or you just want to fridge it for a while, you might want to try Bokzen's 2-pack salad containers. It has 2 layers and 3 removable compartments where you can store the individual components of your salad with a sauce container for your dressing. After all, you don't want to mix up your salad hours before you actually want to eat it because it'll get watery and soggy. Bokzen salad containers allows you to enjoy your Chinese chicken salad as fresh as possible. The adobo is a popular dish in the Philippines, not only because it is delicious, but it is very easy to cook, and it can last for days. Adobo is a comfort food for most Filipinos, and other races came to love this too for its versatility, taste, and considerably long shelf life if you fridge it. You only need a couple of ingredients in a single cooking pot. 2 pounds pork belly, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of garlic, crushed or minced, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 5 dried bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt for seasoning.
この後はどうするんだっけ？
In a bowl, put your slices of pork belly with the minced garlic and soy sauce, marinating it for at least 1 hour. You can also leave it overnight in the fridge if you intend to cook it for the next day. Now, once your meat is marinated, heat your pot and put in the pork belly, letting it cook for a few minutes. Pour the remaining marinade into the pot, including the garlic. That will make a good part of the adobo sauce. Add the water, peppercorn, and dried bay leaves. Just let the entire thing come to a boil and let it simmer for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Then add your vinegar and let it simmer for another 12 to 15 minutes. If it's not salty enough, then you can add a bit of salt, but that is up to you. And that's it. Serve it over your steamed rice, and yeah, that hits the spot. In cooking adobo, you can use either dark or light soy sauce, but in the Philippines, they have their own type of soy sauce that gives their adobo its signature Filipino flair. Silver Swan soy sauce has a darker and saltier flavor, which is really suitable for Filipino dishes such as adobo. If you want to make your adobo as flavorful and authentic as possible, Silver Swan is just the perfect choice. It'll make you crave for a second serving. Thanks again for tuning in with us here today at Foodie Legends for our latest episode. I hope you enjoyed some of the budget-friendly recipes that you can try at your home. Do you have your own recipe that can help you save money and still fulfill the needs of your taste buds? Feel free to share it in our comment section. Also, be sure to like this video and click the subscribe button for more delicious content every week. You guys are awesome. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.